Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure a normal delivery in pregnancy. Starting your prenatal care early, ideally before 10 weeks of gestation, is crucial for monitoring your health and your baby's development. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, provides essential nutrients. Additionally, engaging in moderate, regular exercise, such as walking or swimming for about 30 minutes daily, helps maintain fitness and prepares your body for labor. As you move into mid-pregnancy, consistently attending all scheduled prenatal appointments is vital. These visits allow your healthcare provider to monitor your baby's growth and your overall well-being, addressing any potential concerns promptly. Staying well hydrated by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily supports your body's functions. Furthermore, practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or prenatal yoga can significantly help manage stress and promote a calm environment for both you and your baby. In the later stages of pregnancy, preparing for labor becomes a key focus. Attending childbirth education classes can empower you with knowledge about labor and delivery options, helping you make informed decisions. Developing a birth plan which outlines your preferences for the delivery process can provide clarity and confidence. Crucially, ensure you get adequate rest, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to conserve energy for the upcoming birth. During labor and delivery, trusting your body's natural abilities and your healthcare team's guidance is paramount. Immediately after birth, practicing skin-to-skin contact with your newborn helps establish bonding and can aid in breastfeeding initiation. Remember, the journey continues postpartum. Seeking support for breastfeeding and your own recovery from healthcare professionals or lactation consultants is highly beneficial for a smooth transition into motherhood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.